In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Contact Group Gmail. If you've ever wanted to email the same set of people without typing each address every time, this is exactly what you need. Gmail organizes groups through Google Contacts using something called labels. Think of a label as your group name, like family or team, and anyone you add to that label becomes part of the group. First, open Google Contacts. The quickest way is to visit contacts.google.com in your browser. If you're already in Gmail, you can also click the Google Apps icon, the little 9-dot grid in the top right, and choose Contacts from there. This takes you to your Contacts dashboard, where you can manage people and organize them. On the left sidebar in Google Contacts, click Create Label. This is where you define your group. Give the label a clear, memorable name, such as Family, Project A, or Volunteers, and then click Save. You'll see your new label appear under the Labels section on the left, which is a handy place to find and manage it later. Next, add people to the group. In your contact list, check the box next to each person you want included. Once you've selected everyone, look above the contact list for the label icon, sometimes called Manage Labels. Click it, choose the label you just created, and click Apply. That action assigns the selected contacts to your group label. You can repeat this anytime to grow your group as your team or list expands. Now, let's use the group in Gmail. Go back to Gmail and click Compose to start a new message. In the To field, you can also use CC or BCC. Begin typing the label name you created. Gmail will suggest the group automatically. Select it, and all members of that label will be added as recipients instantly. If you're emailing a list where recipients don't need to see each other's addresses, consider using BCC for privacy. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. You can add more people later by selecting their contacts, clicking the same label icon, and applying your existing label. If someone isn't in your contacts yet, create a contact for them first in Google Contacts, then add them to the label. And remember, the label you created always lives under the Labels section in Google Contacts, so it's easy to review who's included. That's it. Your contact group is ready. With this setup, you'll save time, reduce mistakes, and keep your email workflow organized every time you hit send.